Welcome back, viewers, to another insightful episode of Insurance World TV. Today, we're delving into a topic that holds significant importance in the realm of insurance claims processing: the significance of filing a police abstract report. When accidents or incidents occur, whether it's a car collision or a theft, obtaining a police abstract report can be a critical step in the insurance claims process. A police abstract report, also known as a police report or accident report, is a document provided by law enforcement agencies detailing the circumstances of an incident, such as a car accident or theft, that has been reported to them. In the context of insurance claims processing, a police abstract report serves several significant purposes. Why does a piece of paper called a police abstract report hold such significance when it comes to processing claims? Well, let's delve into the heart of this matter. First and foremost, a police abstract report serves as a foundational piece of evidence. It provides an official account of the incident, documenting key details such as the time, location, and parties involved. This information not only helps insurers validate the occurrence of the incident, but also aids in determining liability. Secondly, it is used for verification of incident. The police abstract report provides an official record of the incident as documented by law enforcement authorities. This includes details such as the date, time, location, and nature of the incident, as well as involved parties and witnesses. Insurance companies rely on this report to verify the occurrence of the incident and its circumstances. Number 3, it is crucial in determining fault. In many cases, insurance claims hinge on determining fault or liability for the incident. The police report often includes the investigating officer's assessment of fault based on evidence and witness statements. Insurance companies use this assessment as a crucial factor in determining the outcome of claims and assigning responsibility for damages. Number 4, it is used as supporting evidence. The report serves as important supporting evidence for insurance claims. It provides an objective account of the incident, which can help to validate the claim and support the insurer's decision-making process. Without this official documentation, claims processing may be more challenging and subject to disputes. Another use of a police abstract report is in preventing fraud. Police abstract reports help insurance companies guard against fraudulent claims. They provide an official record that can be cross-referenced with the information provided by the claimant. Discrepancies between the police report and the claimant's account may raise red flags and prompt further investigation into the legitimacy of the claim. Number 6, police abstract is also used in legal compliance. In many jurisdictions, filing a police report is a legal requirement for certain types of incidents, such as accidents involving injuries or significant property damage. Insurance companies may require a copy of the police report to ensure compliance with local laws and regulations governing insurance claims. Last, but most certainly not least, a police abstract report can be used in the resolution of disputes. In cases where there are disputes over liability or the extent of damages, the police report can serve as an impartial source of information to help resolve these disputes. Insurance companies and other parties involved can use the report as evidence to support their positions. Picture this scenario. A woman named Jane Doe, living in a peaceful neighborhood, wakes up one morning to find her car missing from her driveway. Shocked and confused, she contacts her insurance company to file a claim, but she hits a roadblock when they ask for a police abstract report. Let's journey back to Jane Doe's case for a moment. Jane, unaware of the importance of a police abstract report, had initially failed to file a police report. When she finally does, it provides a detailed account of the theft, including the date, time, and location. This report becomes a key piece of evidence supporting her claim. The police abstract report not only substantiates Jane's claim, but also provides essential details that help the insurance company assess the claim's validity. For instance, it contains information about whether there were any witnesses or any security cameras in the vicinity that could provide additional evidence. So what can we all take away from Jane Doe's story? A few key points. Firstly, a police abstract report is an indispensable part of the claims process. It provides an official, detailed account of the incident, which is invaluable to claims processors. Secondly, this report serves as a protective measure against fraudulent claims, safeguarding both insurance companies and policyholders. Lastly, it's crucial for policyholders to understand the importance of promptly filing a police report in the event of an incident. This action can significantly streamline the claims process and help receive the rightful compensation quickly. In essence, a police abstract report isn't just a piece of paper. It's a vital cog in the machinery of claims processing, ensuring a smooth, fair, and efficient operation. So, the next time you find yourself in an unfortunate situation like Jane Doe, remember the importance of that seemingly simple piece of paper. In summary, a police abstract report plays a vital role in insurance claims processing by providing an official record of the incident, aiding in fault determination, providing supporting evidence, deterring fraud, and ensuring legal compliance. Insurers rely on these reports to accurately assess claims and make informed decisions regarding coverage and compensation. In many cases, filing a police abstract report is not just a matter of convenience, it's a legal requirement. Certain jurisdictions mandate the filing of a police report for specific types of insurance claims, such as those involving accidents or criminal activity. Failure to comply with these requirements can lead to complications and delays in the claims process. So, whether you've been involved in a minor fender bender or experienced a more serious incident, remember the significance of filing a police abstract report in the insurance claims process. It's not just paperwork, it's a crucial step towards ensuring a fair and efficient resolution. Stay tuned as we explore more insights and tips to navigate the complex world of insurance. Until next time, stay informed, stay protected, and stay tuned to Insurance World TV.